Patin.
Can't cabbage and salt. Can I get them a tour of your kitchen? Ellen! Good morning, Rome. Good morning. Can you say good morning? You're in the country? Say good morning, Ty.
Good morning. Oh, mulai tekotin mulai toys din pa. Eh? Rumah tekotin glasses. Everything rumah tekotin for. Everything.
Guys, they all afraid of the camera, so I just sneaking on everybody with the camera. Say good morning, come on.
Good morning.
Let me see the baby. Hi, Mama. Hi, this is a new addition to the family, guys. What's her name?
Cabriana.
Cabriana. I always pronounce her name wrong, so that's why I told her mommy to say it. But I call her Peach. Hi, Peach. Yes, Capri. Peach. You know, when you're in the country, everybody slippers you put on. Yes. Any slippers that you do wear that you have put on. Are you slippers? We're going to peep and Ellen cooking breakfast. So we're going to check out Ellen. Ellen! Guys, Ellen is making the food for us. No matter with what. Look, we see the country life go. Come on. No matter with what. Look, we see what's going on for the country life. Ellen, they said, "Bono dumpling them, Ellen." Ellen, the one they look too brown.
I want to go in the bathroom. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, look at Ellen. People want to see what's going on in the country. What dumpling and what you're cooking, Ellen? Let me see it right there.
You're in the kitchen.
You know what I think, set. Yes, man. So, Ellen, you fried dumpling inside, come my own?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Ellen, the fire too high underneath the fried dumpling.
Don't come till the buck.
Jesus. So, what's in that pot? Over there, so.
A dirty pot.
Dirty pot at the stove, Ellen. See, pumpkin them burn up.
Patin.
No, I remember the long time I have the pot here, you know. Think I today or yesterday. So now salting that.
No.
I salted a lie for salting down that other kitchen. What is Aki? Ellen, what is this? Aki and cabbage and saltfish. Ellen, are you make up this recipe here, man? Yeah, Ellen? No, sir, guys. Aki, cabbage, and saltfish or salt mackerel.
Salt mackerel.
Aki, saltfish, salt mackerel. Wow, for to Ellen, are you a little personal kitchen this? Can I get them a tour of your kitchen?
No, your man used to say, I don't here.
Wait, Mama, put this out here, sir. Your little kitchen nice to do, Ellen. Watch your little side. Guys, I'm not sure if I told you that Ellen house burned down a few months ago. Me did tell them, Ellen? What me did tell them? Ellen, tell the people what happened. Tell them what happened.
What happened?
Yeah.
That me come down, I forgot my cousin funeral, and then after me come down, somebody called me and say the house burned down flat. I don't save anything. Only the suit of clothes that me have on and the one that me carry for wear to funeral. Nothing. Everything burned up completely. So the church give me those 2 doors. Went to visit a church that I went to. I get those 2 doors and they give me also
Give you what?
100 blocks. Not even 100, 92 blocks.
We'll give you 92 blocks.
The church.
Oh, okay. So yes, Ellen is building a trying to start over and building a place down the back. So I'm gonna take you guys on there later so you guys can see her little house that she's trying to build. Like when your house burned down is a hell of a thing, you have to start all over from scratch. And this was in Mobe, down here. She was living in Mobe, so the house was in Mobe. So Ellen, how you feel about it?
Well, I stress down from me big toe.
Ellen, when something serious, you make it sound funny.
The stress, man, stress out down to my big toe, stress right out. Yeah, man. Sometimes sit and cry.
So now that you have to start over from scratch, how have it been?
Wow. Very, very, very challenging and depressed. Right now, I tell a man. Oh, Lord. Well, when me start, right now I want a bag of help. Right now, I have a little sand and I have a little gravel. I want some cement and I want some steel. Then get some cement and some steel and now it push me a little bit further. Yeah, because I have some sand and I have some gravel. Then now. So if I get a little steel, if I even quarter ton, it can carry me down a little bit. And some cement. You know?
And then you can start right
and the man them a charge so dear. Fit bill.
Hurry up to Ellen, I'm hungry so till all the room supposed to hungry. Okay, sure, don't give me then now. Let me room go eat. Am I a dirty plate that Ellen?
I'm take up my plate, we clean it and put it on fire so.
You sure?
Jesus have mercy.
Man, you give me dirty plate for it out I know. No trust you know. Hurry up man, enough food me want because me hungry. Stir it up first, Ellen. Can I come like say? You want to give me the bun?
No, I most of the ackee no want give you.
Yes, give me more of the ackee. Give me more of the
ackee.
ackee.
No, if you go bun.
Give me enough ackee, Ellen.
No.
Can I come like anybody else don't want any?
Come on, you start mackerel so. We don't mean want 2.
Must it 10 down, you know when me come a country about 10 dumpling me get.
If you are wrong, them 2, 4, 7, 10.
I think you really give me 2, Ellen. Ellen, we can't eat now. Let's put on for later. Because this is here than you cook one time.
You're there, I'm not going to work it and
Eh?
We're going to get up and going to work a long time.
Guys, how much dumpling? 10 dumpling, I say, Ellen? Oh, God. Make me look like me craving than anybody else. Me not greedy than nobody else, no. What the puppy name again? Wit. This is Wit. And what's this one name? Fluff. Fluff and what the other one name with that fight last night?
Jerry.
Fluff and Jerry put down a piece of fight last night, nearly killed them one of that, cut one of that throat. I don't know what I going for them, my dog. Yeah. So when you put Wit outside with Fluff now and Wit dirty and Wit coming at the house and Wit take up ticks and lice and all kind of something from Fluff and Jerry. Come. Rome wants fried dumpling. You want fried dumpling? Come, sweetheart, come. Food. Wait, go and sit down outside. Cause you outside with the outside dog and Romy, leave the dirty dog. You outside with the outside dog and inside. Romy, your hands were just washed. Come. Your hands were just washed. Rome loves animals. She want the cat. She want the dog. That cat is so pretty. Pretty cat. And there's another one. Grandparents' house full of animals. Want me fried dumpling? Come on. You need me coffee? Girl, head home east, west, north, and south.
Oh.
Here, Romy. Open. You love animals? Yeah, you love animals? Cat? Guys, she been having so much fun. She love it down here. Hey guys, so don't mind this. I woke up this morning and that's what I have on my mouth. I'm like, this ain't working. Nope, not this. So Rome loves it down here. Yes, because she gets to play with the animals that she has Ty to play with, rather than when it's just no. She's taking on my food. Rather than when it's just me and her, and then it's different atmosphere, different environment. Romy, come here. Open. So she's like, she really love it down here. She was so excited to her down to the back where the bushes are. And she just loved the whole new environment. Like the bunch of stuff. Like all this stimulation for her. Oh my god, this looks so bad. But anyway. And she's eating her fried dumpling. I love that she loves it down here. You're in the house that mommy grew up in? Yeah, mommy grew up in this house.
Yeah.
Yes. Wait. I can't. I'm not gonna give it to you too big because you're not gonna eat it, okay? Rom, eat it! Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Don't touch the puss. Eat your dumpling. Is the puss gonna eat it? The rainfall last night and water settling everywhere, so just trying to escape the water. Like, oh, look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys my grandmother's flowers a little later on. Look how really moat. Really? Ellie, the food tastes good, don't me tell no lie now. It tastes good for sure. They don't give me any fart to eat with. They said that in the country we don't use fart. These are your farts. Mommy? Yay! The rain is falling! Girl, the rain is falling! Yay! Rome is living the country life! Rome, you're bedding outside? Yeah? I think she's loving it too. loving the country life? I'm so glad that she's loving this life. Are you enjoying yourself? Oh. She love it, guys. She love the cats, the dogs, bathing outside. All right. Yay! Ready?
Yeah, yeah. See the. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Food time?